Hello guys, welcome to another part of this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. Now, when it comes to email marketing, the important challenge that we face every time is how to write a highly converting email. Now, the main objective of email marketing using solo ads is to increase your click-through rates. In order to do that, you have to increase your email open rates, and in turn, you have to increase your email deliverability. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you a secret source from where you can get highly converting email swipes at a very cheap price. Before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the secret tips and secret sources for doing our affiliate marketing business. Now, before talking about the secret source, let me show you an important point. Now, this is the JV page of a particular offer where I have got this from manchai.com. Now, if you see this particular offer, you can see the different links, and when you scroll down over here, you can see the email swipes, JV doc, and affiliate links. Now, when you click on this get email swipes, you will reach this page where you get these email swipes. Now, if you look at these email swipes, the product owner or the creator has created these email swipes in order for the affiliates to use this. And you can see this email swipes are literally specific to the product, not very generic. Most of the times, if you see, all these beginners are going to use these email swipes. But personally, I wouldn't suggest you to use these email swipes. There are two reasons why I say this. Number one, since these email swipes are available at free, and most of the beginners who are going to promote this particular offer are going to use this same email swipe again and again, and this same content is going to be identified by different inbox providers like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and the best thing that can happen, it might land in the promotion folder, and even worse, it can land into the spam folders of your subscribers. The second reason is that when you see these email swipes, these are too product specific, and they are talking about the features and the specific guidelines that need to be followed, and rather than speaking in general. Email swipes have to be generic and not product oriented, and they are giving out all the features in the email swipes before building the curiosity of the subscribers, and subscriber may never click the call to action buttons. Now, what do I do for my email swipes? Now, that's where I'm showing you the secret source. Here, I have a collection of more than 5,000 email swipes which I have bought at a nominal price, or rather a cheap price. Now, if you go through all these email swipes over here, there are different email swipes for the affiliates to promote your particular offer, or if you want a generic email for your subscribers, then you can see over here, these are generic emails which will induce curiosity among your subscribers, and in turn, they will open your emails. Now, let me explain you guys. Now, if you see this particular email subject line, which is how to solve your number one problem. Now, this is going to be a more curiosity inducing subject line. And when you see the body content, hi Matt, here's how to solve the number one problem facing business owners and those who want to start a business. The lack of money. If you have held back from starting or growing your business because you don't have the dough to get going, go watch this free video now. You have to remove this link and you can highlight this whole portion, the call to action, and insert your affiliate link over here. Now, after that, you can see you'll finally see the answer is not what you have been thinking. Yours in success. And you can add your email signature over here. Now, let's say another example. You can see the subject line free, 1K a day, every day using your cell phone. Now, this is going to be a hugely curiosity inducing subject line. Now, you can see the body content over here. Here is the video I promised you, and you can just highlight this whole call to action and insert your affiliate link and remove this link over here. And it's how you can start to profit $1,692 a day and do it for over 922 days in a row. And it's done without traffic. You can remove this affiliate link over here. Best of all, there is live proof. Honestly, this has blown me away. Don't miss out on this gold mine. Now, again, you can highlight this whole don't miss out on this gold mine and insert your affiliate link. Now, that's how you need to check the abstract of this whole email swipe, and you can modify it, and you can modify the body content a bit, or you can modify the call to action. Now, if you want to get your email swipes for a cheap price, and that is going to be more than 5,000 email swipes, to use in your affiliate marketing business, please check the affiliate link in the description box below, which is 16K swipes. Now it is called 16K swipes because the product owner or the product creator himself has used more than 200 emails in order to collect $16,000. Now over here you have more than 5,000 email swipes and you can use it according to your requirement. Now you can buy through my affiliate link and you don't need to have to pay any extra penny. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how often should we send emails to our subscribers based on our segmentation techniques. So please stay tuned for the next video, guys. So until then, bye.